Hello, today I want to show you how to check current unit and how to change the units from inches, feet, meters or millimeters based on your preferences. To check the current unit, you need to type DWG, type DWG in the type command or on your keyboard, then units. DWG units, and then hit enter. Now you can see if I expand the command type here, you can see the current units is 1. So the drawing units are either inches, feet, that is 1 is inches, 2 is feet, 3 is millimeters, 4 is centimeters, 5 is decimeters, and 6 is meters. So if I want to change the units from inches to millimeters, or let's go from inches to feet, I will just type 2, enter 2, then hit enter in your keyboard, enter, 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 hit enter, enter again, hit enter again in your keyboard, enter, enter. Now the current units are in feet. So let's check the changes. You can see the drawing has changed. It was currently here was 483, now it's 40. All right, here was 97, it's now 8.1. Now let's change the same units back to inches. I will just type 1, then hit enter, 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 enter. Now the current units are now in inches. So to check the current units, again type D, W, G, then unit. Then you will see this command here, then just click it. Now you can see the current units are in inches. We can change these units to millimeters. So let's change to 3. Hit enter in your keyboard, enter. Okay, now the current units for length are in millimeters. So we want to check the changes in our drawing. You can see this is 2483.9981 millimeters. So you can change this one from millimeters again to meters. Type DWG units, enter. Now this time we change to 6. You can just type 6 and then hit enter. Okay, now let's check the units. You click yes. Okay, now let's check the units. Now you can see the current units are now in meters. And now to confirm, you can just type DWG, then units. Select DWG units. Now the current units are 6. I will change back to inches, 1. Enter. Accept everything. Okay. Now let's confirm. Our units are now back to inches. So thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. So that's how you check dimension and change dimension of length from inches, feet, or millimeters to meters in AutoCAD.